This is the Disney Hooyay Hug and Play Minnie. Minnie is a super soft velour plush toy with multi-texture features, including these lovely satin ears, smooth press pads on her feet and hands, and a rope tail. Let's take a look at Minnie's 6 interactive touch points for learning. Press her left ear to hear a fun phrase.
Oh, you found my ticklish ear.
And her other ear to hear her sing a song. Press Minnie's super smooth hands for more fun phrases and songs.
This is my hand. How many fingers on your hand? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hooray!
And even more when you press her feet.
Will you hop like a bunny with me?
Learn about numbers, letters, and
Jump
more.
up with me and sing ABC.
There are 20 Minnie sayings to discover through fun and engaging songs and phrases. And there you have Disney Hooyay Hug and Play Minnie.